In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a blank name on Among Us. So if I just tap on online, you can see my current name there. And if I try and change this to a blank name, you can see that the name field just shakes and you're not able to change it to a blank name. So what you need to do is head to the description of this video and I've left a link there. What you need to do is tap on that link. It's going to take you to this page and you can see a white square in the middle there. What you need to do is long hold on that white square and then you'll have the option to copy that. So copy it and then you want to go back into Among Us and you want to paste that in there in the name field. So tap on paste and now it's blank and tap on OK. And now the name field didn't shake. So you can go ahead and create a game. Tap on confirm, and now you can see that I have a blank name above my head on Among Us. So if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.